Plant FAQs. Dieffenbachia Tropic Marianne. Ever craved a slice of the tropics in your own home? Look no further than the Dieffenbachia Tropic Marianne. This stunning houseplant boasts vibrantly variegated leaves, with a base of lime green morphing into near white at the edges, all framed by a dramatic dark rim. It's an architectural delight, adding a touch of elegance and whimsy to any indoor space. But beyond its captivating looks, the Dieffenbachia Tropic Marianne is surprisingly easy to care for, making it ideal for plant enthusiasts of all experience levels. Having fallen head over heels for this beauty myself, I've spent the last year cultivating and nurturing my own Dieffenbachia Tropic Marianne. Through trial and error, mostly error at first, I've learned the secrets to keeping this tropical wonder thriving. So, if you're considering welcoming a Dieffenbachia Tropic Marianne into your home, then this guide is for you. Dieffenbachia Tropic Marianne versus Camille. I love the vibrant contrast in the Tropic Marianne's leaves, but Dieffenbachia Camille's creamy, light foliage feels more soothing and elegant in my living room. Where to find your perfect Dieffenbachia Tropic Marianne? Finding your very own Dieffenbachia Tropic Marianne shouldn't be an ordeal. Local nurseries and garden centers are a great place to start. Online retailers also offer a wide selection, allowing you to compare prices and find the perfect size plant for your needs. Just be sure to choose a reputable seller who prioritizes healthy plants. Unpacking and acclimating your new plant. Once you've got your hands on your new Dieffenbachia Tropic Marianne, take a moment to inspect it for any signs of damage or pests. Healthy leaves should be firm and vibrant, with no visible discoloration or insect activity. Before placing your plant in its permanent home, it's wise to give it a few days to adjust to its new surroundings. Find a spot with indirect sunlight. Harsh rays can scorch the leaves. Aim for temperatures between 65 to 75 degrees Fahrenheit, 18 to 24 degrees Celsius, and moderate humidity levels. How to care for a Dieffenbachia Tropic Marianne. Watering. The key to a happy Dieffenbachia Tropic Marianne lies in proper watering. This plant prefers consistently moist soil, but not soggy. The best approach is to water deeply when the top inch of soil feels dry to the touch. Avoid overwatering, which can lead to root rot. Light. As mentioned earlier, indirect sunlight is your friend here. Too much direct sun can bleach the beautiful variegation. Conversely, low light conditions can stunt growth and make the leaves lose their vibrancy. Experiment with different locations in your home to find the sweet spot. Humidity. While the Dieffenbachia Tropic Marianne can tolerate average indoor humidity, it thrives in a more humid environment. Grouping your plants together or using a pebble tray filled with water can help raise the humidity levels around your plant. Fertilizing. During the growing season, spring and summer, a balanced fertilizer diluted to half strength can be applied once a month. However, avoid fertilizing during the winter months when growth slows. Potential problems and solutions. Drooping leaves. This is often a sign of underwatering. Give your plant a thorough drink and adjust your watering schedule accordingly. Brown leaves. Brown leaves can be caused by several factors, including underwatering, sunburn, or excessive fertilizer. Identify the culprit and adjust your care routine accordingly. Pests. Mealybugs and spider mites are occasional visitors. Regularly inspect your plant and treat any infestations promptly with insecticidal soap or neem oil. Can I propagate my Dieffenbachia Tropic Marianne? Absolutely. Propagating your Dieffenbachia Tropic Marianne is a rewarding way to expand your collection or share the plant's beauty with friends. Stem cuttings are the most common method. Simply cut a healthy stem section with at least one node, the bump where leaves emerge, and plant it in a pot with well-draining potting mix. Keep the soil moist and provide indirect sunlight. With a little patience, you'll soon see new growth emerge. The final word, a rewarding addition to your indoor oasis. The Dieffenbachia Tropic Marianne is more than just a houseplant. It's a conversation starter. Its stunning foliage adds a touch of the tropics to any space, while its relatively low-maintenance nature makes it perfect for busy plant parents. With proper care and a little TLC, your Dieffenbachia Tropic Marianne will thrive for years to come, bringing a touch of joy and vibrancy to your indoor haven.